Bailey, and I am an attorney here at Sivia Law, bringing you a video today on trademarks. Just a basic overview of what a trademark is, who might consider getting a trademark, and how you should go about choosing your trademark. So what does it mean to acquire distinctiveness or to have secondary meaning? Well, what we're looking for is that for your descriptive mark, the prospective purchasers of your goods or services know, understand, and have a primary understanding that your mark designates these particular goods and services as coming from your particular business. Another way to put it is that in the minds of the prospective purchasers of the goods or services that we're talking about, in connection with this trademark, that those consumers understand that this mark, this descriptive mark used in this set of circumstances, is primarily a designation for goods or services that come from your particular business. So how can you show that your mark has acquired distinctiveness or has gained this secondary meaning in the minds of the consumers? Well, you can look at the frequency of ad usage. You know, how often has your mark been advertised in this particular manner to designate your particular goods? You can look at the number of sales. You can look at surveys of the consumers in the relevant market. You can have consumer testimony during the registration process to sort of bolster your argument that your mark has acquired this distinctiveness. You can also look at just the length of use and the manner of use of the mark. So we talked about previously that marks can be words, sounds, smells, and colors. And if you're looking to trademark a descriptive mark, then it might be helpful to include, words or a specific font rather, or colors, or to do a logo in your trademark application, because those things can help you gain secondary meaning because they're more distinctive in the marketplace for consumers to recognize this descriptive word as being an actual trademark. It's also worth noting that if you have a descriptive phrase that you're seeking the trademark registration of, then it's also worth noting that if you are trying to trademark a descriptive phrase, then you might be required during the registration process to do what they call disclaim the individual descriptive words. And an example there is Home Depot. Now, Home Depot together is trademarked, but the individual words home and the individual word depot are not trademarked. They are not subject to exclusive use by one person or company. So who should consider getting a trademark? Well, just about any business that's looking to build its brand, build its goodwill in its business, build any kind of brand equity. You want to have a trademark. You need to protect not just the name of your business, but the name of the goods that you're selling. An example there is McDonald's. Obviously, McDonald's is a huge brand that's known all over the world now, but they also have trademarks on all of the individual burgers and items on their menu. So who should consider a trademark? Any business. Any business that's looking to build brand equity, build goodwill in its business, and to sort of cut out a space for this business to grow should consider getting a trademark.